Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. Most businesses struggle to find a platform that adjusts to their specific industry. In addition, it may be difficult sometimes to find flexible enough software to adapt to your company's changes or needs, making you change systems and start to import data and operations from scratch. If you are looking for software that can quickly adapt to your specific company type and bring excellent results when offering your products and services, you will love what we will show you next. In today's video, we will talk about MAROPOST, a digital marketing and campaign management software that enables organizations to connect and engage with customers effectively. But before we go any further, don't forget that SoftwareTrailers.com constantly offers the latest collection of software on the web. We will leave a special link in the description below to access this and other great digital tools. Now, let's dive into MAROPOST. MAROPOST provides businesses with all the tools they need to grow and streamline their marketing and sales strategies. Simply put, it is a multi-channel e-commerce platform that assists companies to develop and send dynamic, enticing, targeted, and personalized email campaigns with dynamic content, drag-and-drop tools, intelligent segmentation, and multivariate split testing. Additionally, MAROPOST works with companies in various industries, including IT, communications, automotive, entertainment, travel and transportation, and leisure. MAROPOST is an excellent choice for marketing initiatives in the hospitality and tourism industries. The platform assists hotels, casinos, and golf clubs convert first-time visitors into recurring patrons. With configurable web forms and personalized promos across all channels, you can capture new loyalty enrollees and interact with your most frequent guests wherever they are. You can also provide outstanding client experiences by capturing new subscribers with entirely customizable forms that pop out or embed inline personalized check-in experiences depending on arrival times. Make the most of every guest's visit. Besides, automated transactional emails simplify purchase confirmations and order tracking, revolutionizing transactional communications. Furthermore, you can acquire insights into your guests' interests and activities by combining data into a single customer view with extensive segmentation options based on geography, demographic information, birthdays, other significant occasions, and other factors. You can also connect in a matter of seconds, reducing the size of your stack. You'll be able to design targeted marketing campaigns that consider guest activities, behavior, and interests. Using comprehensive client profiles in one user-friendly platform, you can promote upsell, cross-sell, and repeat stays. If you like what you hear about MAROPOST, check out a link to buy their services in the description below. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and you will be notified of other great videos about software like this one. Now, let's continue with MAROPOST. MAROPOST lets artists, publishers, and influencers give a tailored experience with intelligent segmentation, so you can quickly scale and manage your subscriber base. With personalized content recommendations across all channels, you can get your most important stories in front of followers and find new ones wherever they are. You can also use MAROPOST's advanced analytics and real-time reporting to understand your subscribers' every activity and easily retain them. Additionally, you can do A/B testing on multiple campaigns to evaluate which messaging best resonates with your target audience and gain deep insight into campaign success, as well as identify which promos are most effective with your target demographic. You'll have a streamlined e-commerce solution for the automotive sector with MAROPOST. To power their online stores, marketplace connections, inventory management, order management, and shipping, MAROPOST is an excellent alternative for scaling B2B and multi-channel auto parts e-commerce enterprises. Thanks to the Commerce Cloud, managing thousands of product SKU and selling parts has never been easier. In addition, by expanding your business on eBay, you'll be able to increase sales at a rapid rate. Power sellers on eBay rely on and use our eBay-certified solution to list and sell in minutes, sync inventory, and process orders in volume. Automotive wholesalers and retailers can outperform their competitors with MAROPOST's feature-rich suite, developed for merchants with extensive product catalogs. You can increase your exposure on search engines, expand your sales channels, and provide customers with a better experience by importing thousands of SKU and shipping hundreds of orders in minutes. MAROPOST is a great e-commerce platform for scaling B2B and multi-channel electronic e-commerce businesses. It allows them to manage their online stores, marketplace connections, inventory, orders, and shipping. MAROPOST Commerce Cloud can assist you in increasing your revenue and improving your operational efficiency. MAROPOST's powerful platform allows you to manage all aspects of your business from a single central location, saving you time. In addition, the platform is there for you every step of the way, assisting you in building an intelligent site, attracting visitors, and increasing your online revenue. Extending your store to eBay, Kogan, and other marketplaces can also help you boost sales. You can post and sell in minutes, sync inventory, and process orders in bulk with MAROPOST's Marketplace Certified solution, which is used and trusted by some of the top power sellers. Additionally, the platform offers a feature-rich suite geared for merchants with large product catalogs, allowing electronic wholesalers and retailers to outperform their competitors. You'll be able to increase your search engine visibility, sell on new channels, improve customer service, and quickly fulfill hundreds of orders. MAROPOST offers a comprehensive e-commerce platform with online stores, POS terminals, marketplace connections, inventory management, order delivery, and many other capabilities to help run and expand your sports or leisure business. You can increase your revenue and operational efficiency with MAROPOST Commerce Cloud. This powerful platform allows you to manage all elements of your company from one location, saving you time. MAROPOST also offers extensive support at every level of the process to help you build an intelligent site, drive traffic to it, and increase your online earnings. MAROPOST Commerce Cloud Ship is a superb integrated shipping add-on that keeps you and your customers updated on shipping information in real time. You can effortlessly scan, label, and deliver your things with our mobile Pick Pack app. In addition, the dropshipping function imports your supplier tracking data if you provide it directly from a manufacturer. Distributors and retailers in the sports and leisure industry can use MAROPOST Commerce Cloud to surpass the competition. If you like what you heard about MAROPOST, check out the link in the description below. Also, if you like this software video, feel free to check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers and subscribe to our social media channels. We are sure you will find what you are looking for. Thanks for watching. See you next time.